Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial. Today we are going to learn about the how we can validate the zip code. Okay, so normally the zip code would be like the 5 digits or the 6 digits, right? So India has a 6 digits, not starting with zero, but the US has a 5 digits or the zip plus four, right? So let's take a look zip code validator for the India and the US. Okay, so here we have an input, and on the button click we are going to validate the zip code, or you can do with the key press also, up to you. Okay, so get element by ID. I'm going to get the value of the zip. Okay, and here I'm going to use the test to calculate the zip is valid or not. Okay, so regex will help me to validate that one. So where I get the zip value, valid zip code, if it is matching with my regex, then it is a valid, else invalid zip code. And what would be the condition for India is 6 digits, not starting with zero, and the US would be 5 digits or the zip plus 4 digits. Okay, so let's take a look zip code. So India will not start with zero. If I go with this invalid zip code, here it's 5 digits, 1 2 3 4, because 5 digit would be for the US, right? And you can also but 00 is zip code is would not be valid, so we can modify the regex also according to it, because 00 would be not a valid zip code, I guess. And if I go with another one, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, it's not be valid. If you go with this, invalid, right? So 1 2 3 4 5 6, that is 6 zip code, that is a valid. And if I go with 5 digits also, it's gonna be valid zip code for the US. Okay, so according to you, this can be modified according to your needs. According, you can just need to modify the regex, and rest of the things will be happen, right? So this is how you are able to make a function for the validating the zip code, right? Or like, see, one thing would be like, I can add the numeric like this, but it gonna be like, let's make a 6 1 2 3 4 5. Let's take a look, invalid, because it requires only the numbers, digits, only the digits, not any kind of numeric. Okay, but in somehow I think the numeric is there, so you can accordingly set that one. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day. Don't forget to like, share and comment on my video. Have a nice day.